Good evening, this is Mr. Catlett. Welcome to Tracy's Open House. I teach the following subjects: art, online curriculum, and world history. If you need to contact me, the best way is by using the email ken.catlett@myabcusd.org. We're going to go over the syllabi for my courses. The first course I teach is art, which I teach first period and seventh period. This course covers basic shape drawing, incorporating color, basic clip art, cartooning, illustrations, themes, transformation, freestyle. Reminder, all artwork must be school appropriate. Materials needed for my class are paper, something to write with, preferably a pencil, eraser, and something to color with if possible. The way grades and credit are earned. To earn full credit, each day students must have productive attendance. That means they're on time, they're prepared. Being prepared is just paying attention and shows satisfactory effort on their work. If students earn their full credit by having productive attendance each day and have 2 or less absences during the entire quarter, they will earn 5 credits. Students' grades are based solely on the quality of their work. Online curriculum. I teach this class second period. It's basically using a program called Admentum Plato. Plato is a web-based program used to aid students in credit recovery. There are teachers who facilitate the program, but the direct instruction comes from the standards-based program software. Each student is working on their own course independent from others because there's approximately 70 available courses in Admentum Plato. The way the courses are set up, they're broken into units. They may have discussion topics. They have tutorials, mastery tests, and unit activities. The way grading credits work in the class, students are expected to complete 1 course per quarter enrolled. So that equals 5 credits. If a student only completes 50% of the course, obviously they will receive 2.5 credits. And basically for each 10% of the course completed, they earn a half a credit. Their grade is based on, if you look at the letter grade in Admentum, when they first open the screen, they can see what grade Admentum tells them they have. And then I compare what percentage of the course they've completed. We're expecting them to complete the entire course in 1 quarter. So if they're falling behind the expected rate, their grade may drop. So if they're 33% behind the expected rate, their grade drops 1 letter grade. 62% behind, 2 letter grades. 75% behind pace, their grade drops 3 letter grades. Grades will not drop below a D- unless they are failing the course. All courses require a minimum of 45 hours of time on task to complete the entire course. World history is my next class. The main topics that we cover are the Enlightenment, mass society and democracy, the reach of imperialism, challenge and transition in East Asia, World War I and the Russian Revolution, the West between the wars, and nationalism around the world. Grading credit works the same way as my art classes. They must have productive attendance each day. If they have productive attendance every day they attend, they can only miss 2 days and they can still earn the full 5 credits. Again, grades are based solely on the quality of your work. And I teach that world history class 4th period, 5th period, and 6th period. Attendance. Remember, it's important to be at school every day. Attendance is taken at the beginning of every class, every day. Wednesday, gap attendance. Attendance is taken at 9:45 with KTHS broadcast to follow. Expected behaviors in all my classes. We want all students to participate, be respectful, be on time, have a writing implement and paper, and no inappropriate language. Internet connectivity. I know a lot of people had issues with that, myself included. If you log into your course and the teacher's connection is down, go ahead and find your work in Google Classroom and start working. If your connection goes down, continue to make repeated attempts to log in. If you can't get in, sometimes you can use your cell phone to just get work from Google Classroom and start working. Let's make the best of this year. Go Saints. Thanks for coming to Open House. Have a good evening.